Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli has met with several ministers and officials to discuss plans for maximising the utilisation of the ministry's square area and offering it to the private sector. The Prime Minister emphasised efforts to accelerate the area's privatisation, especially for tourism development, in line with directives to the Ministry of Investment. Investment Minister Hassan Al-Khatib confirmed that work is ongoing to enhance returns from Ministry Square and other assets linked to the Sovereign Wealth Fund. Egypt's net foreign assets saw a significant boost in February, rising by $1.48 billion, marking the second increase this year. According to data from the Central Bank of Egypt, foreign assets reached $10.17 billion, that's 515.856 billion Egyptian pounds in February, up from $8.7 billion in January. The rise in foreign assets was partly driven by the successful sale of $2 billion in international bonds on January 29th, which was Egypt's first dollar-denominated international bond issuance in 4 years. Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources, Karim Badawi, has affirmed the vital role of Egypt gas in advancing the 6 key pillars of the ministry's current strategy. Badawi stated that the company plays a crucial part in meeting citizens' needs for petroleum products at minimal cost by boosting production, intensifying exploration efforts, and leveraging infrastructure across the refining, petrochemicals and gas pipeline sectors, as well as in crude oil and petroleum products. Egyptian exchange indexes at the midday transactions have contained losses recorded during morning dealings in light of repercussions of tariffs imposed on imports to the US. The losses of the EGX 30 benchmark index recorded 2.7% down from 4.5% during midday dealings. After declining 5.5% at the morning transactions, the broader EGX 70 EWI index of the leading smaller and mid-cap enterprises reduced its decline rate to 4.3%. The all-embracing EGX 100 index was down 4.03%. The market capital registered 2,178 trillion Egyptian pounds against 2,240 trillion Egyptian pounds recorded on Thursday, the last trading session of last week. Egypt's Investment Minister Hassan Al-Khatib met with the British Ambassador to Cairo, Geoffrey Adams, to explore ways to strengthen bilateral cooperation in investment and trade. The two sides discussed investment opportunities in sectors such as green hydrogen, energy, tourism and hospitality, along with recent reforms in Egypt's trade policies. Ambassador Adams praised Egypt's secure investment climate. The second International Conference on Technological Education will begin next Tuesday, April 8th, under the patronage of Ayman Ashur, Minister of Higher Education and Scientific Research. The conference, running from April 10th in Cairo, will see around 2,200 participants, including representatives from ministries, educational institutions and technological universities, as well as experts and industry leaders. The event aims to strengthen partnerships between educational institutions and various sectors, boosting Egypt's technological education system.